Did you know that most people struggle with belly fat not because they don't work out enough, but because they're doing the wrong kind of exercises? The truth is, you don't need hours at the gym or expensive equipment to start trimming your waistline. With just a few minutes of simple movement each day, you can begin to reduce belly fat, strengthen your core, and improve your posture right at home. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest and most effective exercises to flatten your stomach and tone your midsection. This move looks simple, but it works deep in your core muscles, the ones responsible for holding your belly in and shaping your waist. As you lift your hips and tighten your stomach, you're not only burning fat, you're also activating your lower abs, glutes, and back muscles at the same time. Start by lying flat on a mat with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift your hips toward the ceiling while keeping your stomach muscles tight. Hold for a second at the top, then lower your hips back down with control. Repeat this movement for 10 to 15 reps, rest, and go for 3 sets. Don't rush it. Focus on feeling the stretch and tightening your core with every lift. This exercise doesn't just target belly fat, it also improves your balance, strengthens your back, and helps prevent lower back pain. It's a great way to build a strong foundation for your whole body. Combine it with a balanced diet, good hydration, and enough sleep, and you'll notice your waistline getting slimmer and your energy levels going up within weeks. Remember, results come from consistency. Just a few minutes a day can make a big difference if you stick with it. So, roll out your mat, follow along, and give your body the attention it deserves. I hope you enjoy this simple routine and start feeling stronger and more confident. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, leave a comment to tell us your progress, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy life tips. We're always sharing easy and effective ways to stay fit, healthy, and happy. So don't miss out. Stay consistent, stay positive, and keep moving toward a healthier you.